Hello, students. Today we will continue our remaining portion of the chapter. But before we start today's topic, let us have a small recap what we had learned in previous class. In previous class, we had talked about diversity. What is the meaning of diversity? Is variety and difference. Then we had talked about what is diversity. Diversity means different culture, different traditions, different customs, different eating habits, different religion, etc. is known as diversity. Diversity can be follows or we can found in India in different ways. In that we had talked about language, culture, religion, regions, food habits, festivals, etc. Then we had also talked about in two ways we can found that diversity in India in different form with the help of historical and geographical ways. For that we had taken an example of Kerala and Ladakh. Kerala, it is in south part that we had discussed, and Kerala is famous for his spices from his ancient time, and even it is a trade route for the Arabs. We can found different religion in Kerala like Muslims, Christianity, Buddhism, etc. In Kerala, Vasco da Gama had discovered the sea route first time from Europe to India. So, in that, let us continue our today's topic, that is Ladakh. Ladakh is a coldest desert in the eastern part of Kashmir. The Ladakh is covered with the snow most of the parts during the year, and in Ladakh agriculture is very less possibility because there have no rain, and most of the year it was covered, most of the time in the year it was covered with the snow. So agriculture is not possible for that. For their livelihood they are mainly based on header of the animals. In that they are doing sheep and goat and yak. They use their milk and their meat as their food. Even they uses the hairs of the animals as to make wools. We know very well Pashmira shawls, very famous shawl, and they used to make this shawl and sell them to the traders in Kashmir. And Ladakh was also the important trade route since from the ancient time for the many travelers to come from different parts of the world. Always comes to this place. People of Ladakh interacted with those travelers also. In Ladakh, Islam was also introduced in that region around 100 years ago. We can find majority of Muslims in that region, and their Buddhism and their followers also be found in this region as well as. Now next topic, diversity in India. Diversity in India is highly found in different ways. Followers almost of the all the major religions in the world. Followers of different religions are different in many aspects like culture, festivals, belief, eating habits, even the traditional costumes. The huge diversity makes out the country rich in the term of culture differences. Next, unity in diversity. The term unity in diversity first been coined by Jawaharlal Nehru. It has been coined by the Jawaharlal Nehru that because diversity proves the strength of our country. When the Britishers came in India, they thought it is easy to rule in diverse country like India. They even tried to divide and rule policy, but our struggle for the freedom proved them wrong. Most of the people of India opposed the British rule in respective of their culture and religious differences. It is because of our unity in diversity that we could be successful in getting rid of British rule. Even today, we continue to imbibe various cultures, continue to assimilate cuisines from around the world. We continue to assimilate new costumes from around the world. Today, India is a vibrant country because of its diversity. Thank you, students. Here the chapter ends.